This is on my ES brush cutter. I was using it to actually push over some trees, and I was just being a little bit too rough, and I ended up bending up the plates here on both sides. So what we gotta do is heat these up and pound them back down into place, and hopefully that will repair this job. So let's get started on that. All right, got my torch out. Let's go ahead and get this thing fired up and get torching. Weird science. All right, now the plan here is to heat this up, get it nice and soft, and then pound it back into shape. I'm not wanting to heat the whole thing through, just on the edges where it's bent up. That way this part will stay rigid and bend down as I bend the edges that actually bent. And I should be using a rosebud on this, but I don't have one. There's a lot of metal on this thing. A lot of ways for it to dissipate really fast. The heat, that is. All right, I'm gonna say that was successful. Definitely better. And maybe it looks like it could go even more, but a couple whacks. The other side spot on. Good. Let's get some water. I don't want to hard quench it because I don't want it to be brittle. Now I'm gonna medium quench it because I want it to be hard. But not brittle. Okay, now one of these things, this thing is an absolute beast when it comes to grinding, not grinding, but preparing metal surfaces for paint. I really like this thing. All right. See, doesn't that thing just prep metal so nicely? I mean, look at that. It's beautiful. Okay, we'll let that dry for a few minutes and then put on a second coat. All right, I'm gonna call this done. Looks pretty well back to the shape that it's supposed to be. All right, well that's completes this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.